Hey there, welcome to our channel where we share amazing side hustle ideas that can help you earn some extra cash. If you're looking for ways to make money on the side, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to share some of our favorite side hustle ideas that are fun, flexible, and can help you reach your financial goals. So let's get started.
Okay everyone, our first unique side hustle is renting out your car. Really? That's it, you may ask? Yes, it's as simple as that. If you have a car that you don't use often, this could be a great way to earn some extra money on the side. To start the side hustle, there are 4 little steps you have to take. Step 1. Determine if your car is eligible. So before you start renting out your car, you need to make sure it's eligible for that. Most car rental platforms like Turo or Getaround require your car to be under a certain age, have a clean title, and be in a good condition. You will also need to have insurance coverage that allows you to rent out your car. Step 2. List your car on a platform. Once you have determined that your car is eligible, it's time to list it on a platform like Turo or Getaround. You will need to create a profile, upload some nice photos of your car, and set your rental rates. You can also choose which days and times your car is available for rent. Step 3. Manage your rentals. When someone rents your car, you will need to coordinate with them to arrange for pickup and drop-off. Make sure you provide clear instructions on where to find the car and how to return it. You will also want to make sure the renter is familiar with any special features of your car, like how to operate the stereo or GPS. And the last step is collect your well-deserved payment. When the rental is over, you'll receive payment from the rental platform. Just make sure you keep track of your earnings and any expenses related to renting out your car, like cleaning or maintenance cost.
Flying is one of the most exciting things in the world, right? But did you know that you could get paid a ton of money for it too? And no, I'm not talking about flying airplanes. I'm talking about its little brother, drones, as I mentioned before. The demand for drone pilots is expected to grow over 51% over the next 5 years, with sales projections to reach over $16 billion in 2030. Now, it might sound complicated to fly a drone, but if you've ever played video games before, then you're going to pick up on this really quickly. Not only is this side hustle fun, but it pays on average $50 to $200 per hour. And the craziest part is that there are only 250,000 drone pilots registered in the entire country. Most of these registered pilots aren't even offering their services, which has created huge demand for potential gigs. There are several potential gigs that you can find as a drone pilot, including real estate land surveys, search and rescue, and 3D mapping. 3D mapping is by far the most lucrative, which is the process of surveying an area and creating a 3D map. This is an automated process that certain drones are capable of. Now, we gotta talk about costs, of course. While drones are expensive, this side hustle could easily cost you over $1,000 to start. But you can also start this out with as little as $0. All you need to do is pay for your drone certification test and then wait until you get a gig and make sure they provide a 50% deposit. You can either take the deposit to rent your own drone, which on average you can rent for $180 for a week worth of work, or you can actually buy your own drone, which will save you money in the long run, of course. Now, to get clients, you can either reach out to companies and the services that I listed above, advertise your services on different forums like Craigslist, Facebook, or another option is to simply search on Google for a drone pilot job. The funniest thing is you'll see tons of different openings because this position is in such high demand.
This next one is one of my favorite side hustle ideas ever, and that is having a self-serve mobile bar. With this side hustle, you can make around $1,000 per day, depending on how many guests you serve. The best part is that it requires minimal quality control, and you can charge your customers based on the number of guests. For example, if you serve 75 guests, you can charge $1,150 per day. If you serve 150 guests, you can charge $1,600 per day, and so on. But even if you're just starting out and only charge $1,000 per day, you can make $2,000 to $3,000 in a week if you serve 3 events a week. And especially in the summertime, that's not unrealistic at all, since most people like having their wedding in summer or celebrate their birthdays outside. All you have to do is drop off the mobile bar, make sure it's filled up, and show your customers how to use it. Once they're done, you can come and pick it up. Now, you may be wondering how to get started. The first thing you need is a seller's permit and a vendor permit. Check the laws in your city to see what else you need. It doesn't really cost a lot of money, and it's important to have all the legal documents to be serious about your business. Next, you may ask if you need a liquor license. The answer is no, because you're not selling liquor to your customers. Your customers are the ones behind the liquor, and you're just selling the service and the aesthetics. So, the most important thing you obviously need for the side hustle is a mobile bar. They come in different shapes and sizes, ranging from $200 to $19,000. If you're just starting and don't have much money, you can start with a small, low-end mobile bar and work your way up to a more aesthetic and bigger one.
So what exactly is a trash can cleaning service? A trash can cleaning service involves cleaning and sanitizing residential or commercial trash cans on a regular basis. That's basically it. This service is becoming increasingly popular as people become more aware of the need for proper sanitation and hygiene. So, how to get started? To start a trash can cleaning service, you'll need a few key items: a pressure washer or specialized trash can cleaning equipment, cleaning supplies like detergents and disinfectants, a vehicle for transportation, and of course a website and marketing materials to promote your service. Now, here are some steps to follow when starting a trash can cleaning service. First, you have to research your local regulations and licensing requirements for operating a trash can cleaning business in your area. Second, invest in the necessary equipment and supplies. Third, develop a pricing structure based on the size and number of trash cans to be cleaned. For example, you could charge $40 for 1 can and $60 for 2 because most households have 2 or more cans, and go from there. Fourth, market your service through online advertising, flyers, and social media. And fifth, build relationships with local businesses and property management companies to generate recurring business. So, what are the actual benefits of a trash can cleaning service? This is the stuff that will fit perfectly in your marketing texts, flyers, posts on social media, what have you. A trash can cleaning service can offer several benefits, including improved sanitization and hygiene for your customers, convenience and time saving for customers who don't have to clean their own trash cans, potential for recurring business and steady income. That's for you, of course. Low startup costs compared to other types of businesses. In conclusion, a trash can cleaning service is a unique and potentially very profitable side hustle. With the right equipment and marketing strategy, you can build a successful business that provides an important service to your community. That's it for today, guys. We hope you found this video helpful.
If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing side hustle ideas.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.